Let's go.
Hello and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today I'll be making candied yams. Preheat your oven to 365 degrees. You will need 4 yams, 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of ground cloves, 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1/2 cup of butter, and 1 cup of water. Using a sharp knife or a mandolin, slice your yams into 1/2-inch pieces. Add 1 cup of water to your baking dish, then evenly place your yams in the dish, then set them aside until later. Add your butter to your frying pan, then using medium-low heat, melt your butter. Increase your temperature to medium-high. Now add the brown sugar and allow it to dissolve. Add the granulated sugar and allow it to dissolve. Add the vanilla, clove, cinnamon, and nutmeg and continue to mix until well combined. Carefully pour the sugar mixture over your yams. Cover your dish with foil, then transfer it to the preheated oven and allow it to cook for 30 minutes. This yam recipe and many other great recipes can be found in my cookbook. Holiday time is coming and the cookbook will make a great gift. You can find the link in the description below. Decrease your oven temperature to 350 degrees, then return your yams to the oven for an additional 15 minutes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.